I saw this question in your email. Let's see. It looks like I chopped off part of it, but it's asking how many subjects are needed to estimate the HDO level within 4 points, 99% confidence interval, and the sample standard deviation is 18.4 from an earlier study. So right here's really the question. So you go page 419, they have the steps outlined there that I'm going to describe to you in your textbook. So you click on Stat, then Z-Stat, one sample width/sample size. Okay, so there's your steps, and you can find them here. So the confidence levels 0.99, standard sample standard deviations 18.4. The only tricky part, the width is twice this, which would be 8. Then you click compute, and it'll give you the sample size or the number of subjects you need. Hope that helps.